This is the Kohler 1083980 flush valve kit. Now what this kit's going to include is of course the canister style flush valve here, which will have the little red seal on like the bottom side of this upper canister. And then coming down here you've got this larger red seal, which is the flush valve gasket, and then you're going to have the flush valve nut to secure it to the tank, as well as the tank to bowl gasket. Now this kit will also include a short little list of instructions here, so we'll go ahead and get this open. Right there you can see that little installation sheet. It's offering a couple different languages as well. Flip it over to the back, and more little picture breakdowns also provided in various languages. We'll go ahead and get a couple dimensions of each of the parts that will be included in the kit, starting with the flush valve itself. We'll just start with the total length if we're able to. So yeah, it'll be right about, so measuring from the base of the flush valve all the way to the top of this portion here. It's kind of hard to do, but it looks like it's going to be right at about 11 inches. Now, that's not a perfect measurement, but on this flush valve it'll also have this chain that'll come up and attach to the arm of that lever. And then with the flush valve nut we'll get an outer diameter. That's going to measure right at about 5¼ inches outer diameter. And that inner is going to measure right at about 3¾ And the way this will assemble, you'll have that red flush valve gasket here at the bottom of this kind of hex shape here at the base of the valve. You just kind of want to make sure that's seated. And you're going to take that flush valve nut, that's going to go on second. Secure that, thread it up. Now I'm not going to get it all the way tight just for this, but of course when you are installing it you do want to make sure that's pretty snug. And then that tank to bowl gasket, you're going to just push that up. It should seal around each of those like indents of that flush valve nut. And just kind of push it around, make sure it's not overhanging or in that opening at all. And it should look about just like that. And this was the Kohler 1083980 canister style flush valve.